bright and early. Closed down the lake last night, actually. I was out here till 7:30 until they closed and only boat for a while. But we're right back the next morning. Maybe looking for them again. Water temperature is pretty cold though, 55 degrees. You got that water coming in nonstop. So we'll be cruising around, looking for those big ones. All right, guys, see you in the morning. Too. It smells fishy over here. Stinky. There's some fish right here. This is right at the beginning of this flat. Oh, it's got hammered. Little sucker. Well, that one just bit it though, that was under the boat a second ago. I gotta remember to slow down though, because they kind of like to eat it when it's just sitting there. Not when I'm like wiggling it, you know?
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, we still like it, huh? It's just like a 2-pounder. Yeah, baby. Yeehaw. Alright, got a good hook set on. Just gotta set the hook like a freaking big dog with this thing, like it's a jig, you know? That was my problem when I first started fishing the Ned rig. I'd like fish it like a Josh. Nah, you gotta freaking, you know? Alright, on the board. Little suckers are in the grass, dude. Oh, right out of his mouth. Right out of his mouth. Look at that. Little sucker. Gosh darn it. That's the only thing with this thing being so long. So now, you know. Gosh, I felt that bite too. I got my trolling motor though. Gosh darn it. But I got a fish too. Thing. I don't know. Yeah, I got a fish. And completely wrapped. I had one, but still. Oh! I watched them too. Yeah. I dropped straight down. I know. Dude, freezing cold. The little Ned rig. Jeez, dude. And then what's the other one? Like, I love it. You're like, oh, okay. Looks like there's a pair though. Yeah? Yeah, let's go. Heck yeah. Decent. It's a fish though, it's a fish. Probably the male, huh? Heck yeah. The cube too. The cube, look at the cube. That's awesome.
That's hilarious.
What on the cube? How does it not freaking hit the robo worm, dude? Huh? He was right above the grass. It popped it twice right by him, and then it went right down into the grass towards the rope. Oh, I got hit. There you go.
There you go.
I think they'll stop, huh? I need to stop the talk. That's gonna be good for the video.
Like play by play.
Yeah. See, guys, it tells you you need to slow down because I'm complaining, and then I just. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Hold on. Oh, nice.
Thanks, dude. I know that's heavy. Woo! Sorry, and that's so big. I'm like, why doesn't it hit my thing? I was crying. Nice 2-pounder. Why didn't you want to eat it? Because you needed me to stop from moving so much. Oh, that's funny. I was complaining.
The worm was spazzing out.
I was mid complaint. It's kind of long,
right?
It might go over too, just because it's length. Probably post spawn, huh?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's not that thin, dude.
Oh yeah, plenty. Yeah, 2.5 I guess. It's just long but skinny. It could have been 3. All right, it was a while there since the last bite, but as I was mid complaint, like, why aren't they eating my worm? Sitting there talking to Chacon over here, bam, hits it on the dead stick. So I guess I got to slow down a little bit. That's the key. So finally, had something over 2 pounds after a few little dudes. So I'll take it. That was it. Now we're on them. Now we're on them. My drop shot down real quick. Yeah.
Really nice one.
It looked good too.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, there we go. So that sun's coming out. That's a nice 4-pounder. Yeah. Let's go. On the cube, right? It's gone, but you can see a little speck of it.
A little speck of it? Oh my gosh.
Let's go, baby.
Almost 4. 3.7.
3.7. Again, not super fat, but
Here, look.
it's cold though, huh? It's cold with the food. It's a nice one. All right, not too long after that, just fishing some grass and going hooks up on a nice one. And what's that bait? It's crazy bait. The cube bait.
Secret weapon, man.
Secret weapon.
Secret weapon. Real quick.
Yeah, flash it.
That's
Oh,
it.
what is that?
That's it.
Cube. All right, let's keep it going. Is that one, maybe? Cast it for maybe. I don't know. No, I just got hit. It's not horrible. I'll get it though. I love this new net. It's so easy. We're finally catching. It's actually funny. We're catching a few now that the sun's coming out.
Right.
You know. I love it. Starting to warm up a little bit. All right, guys. Here's a fatter one. That's a good one, dude.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Yep. Try another one just like yours, huh? Yeah, baby, let's go. Let's go. I'll go to your right here. Go ahead, take over. Oh, sorry. Oh, snap. A fatty. Nice fatty. Ooh, that one's got chunk to it. That one's got some chunk to it.
Worm weights that, man.
That's the fattest one of the day, guys. As far as fatness to it. No, cookie cutter.
Huh?
2.6. There's so many of the 2.5ers this year,
yeah.
which is fine, you know. It's actually bigger than a Lux suit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so yeah, slow morning. It's cold out here still like kind of feels like freaking winter, but I don't know, the sun popped out. We just kept working those little flats, and bam, Chacon got a nice almost 4-pounder. I got a couple 2.5s, and then we boated a few more, you know, so at least we caught some fish. That was cool, but you know, I think a few of those might have been post-spawn fish too. They look a little skinny, like especially yours. Yours would have been like a 5-pounder, dude, pre-spawn. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. Hopefully, some more upper lake trips coming. Hopefully, that bite opens up the top. Catch some smallmouth, striper, whatever, you know. But for now, we're after the big ones, so we keep coming down here. But that's it. All right, thanks. See you guys later.